YouTubers, welcome back to another great video for the portable Bluetooth speakers, the premium ones. We have the Harman Kardon Go Play, the 2 generation, and the GBL Extreme. We have two great speakers from also the Harman Kardon. You know, the GBL speakers are made by Harman Kardon, and I think are two great speakers. So guys, I'm very disappointed about the battery of the Harman Kardon. I still think that this is the best speaker you will find in the market in Bluetooth speakers portable, that it has only 4 kilos, but the sound that it gives, well, I think it still beats all of the entire Bluetooth speakers on the market. I know you're gonna say that it's from the year 2017 or 2016, when the Harman Kardon launched this Go Play 2, it appeared a lot of Bluetooth speakers. The boombox of the GBL that is larger gives us a louder sound. The party box, a lot of speakers. But guys, the problem is for the people who wants to listen to the music, or the people different from the people that want to listen to loudness. Where you are interested in the sound detail, go with the Harman Kardon. If you are interested in loudness and I don't know, something powerful and also that it's sounding quite good, go with GBL. But guys, this video, like in the title, it's replacing the new battery, and I found a battery of 13,000 amps. I don't believe this is the capacity of this battery. We will change it. I will show you how to change it. But first, guys, I think I found a problem that these speakers batteries deteriorate in short time. You know, it's the second battery that the service center changed it, and I have problems. In 1 year the battery was terminated. Now it stays. The LED, you know, it has LEDs here on the top, and one LED is blinking and it doesn't charge at all. The speaker, actually, when you kick it to the half of the volume, it cut off the power immediately. Well, I think it's some kind of mechanism or something, or a protection inside. I don't know exactly, but it's related to your battery. And I purchased this GBL Extreme, guys, for my gym, and I found that it has the same problem. When you will charge one of these speakers with a good battery inside, with a new battery, the original batteries have a management system that will know when it's entire full charged and will stop the charging. Well, the charging of the original batteries, the management system is having big problems, because it, you know, from 1 LED, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs is full. When the 5th LED it's blinking, it means it's almost full. When it stops blinking, the battery is full and the charging is stopped. But when you see after that 5th LED it's stopped blinking, and you are missing the 5 LED and the 4 LED, and only the 3 LED is blinking, that means the battery doesn't know, and the management system doesn't know that battery is full, and will charge the battery and charge you and recharge it, charge it infinitely until it will destroy your battery. And this is the problem, guys. Now I want to charge. It's the 18 volts with 3 amps charger. I put it to the charge, and you are seeing now, guys, the 5th LED is blinking. After the 5th LED will stop blinking, the management system will not know to stop this charging process, and will go into the 3rd LED, but it will remain a recharge, charge your battery until it's dead. This is what happened with the Harman Kardon Go Play. In the one, it has a lot of problems. I sincerely do not know why Harman Kardon didn't get new batteries from other manufacturers that you know, they make partnerships, but if they saw that this partnership is weak, the supplier give them very low quality batteries, how can you, as a big company as Harman Kardon, how can you accept to put into the service center those same batteries, or do not change that management system of the batteries? This is what I'm referring, and they can't do anything about this. But the problem for me was that the Harman Kardon service center from the Bucharest said to me that they have expenses if they change me in my warranty something else or something more, and I told them I don't care about this because it's in warranty and they must change everything that is wrecked, that is defective inside the speaker. Also, you know, with the subwoofer ES 250 GBL, they charge me for nothing, for not making not even one operation, even if I didn't request to cancel my operation. The mainboard inside has some defective circuits that the service center could not order from Europe, Japan, I don't know, from all over the rest of the world, because those components, they told me, they are not existing anymore. And first of all, the service center told me I will be charged only if I refuse the operation. And I didn't refuse the operation. I told them if they can repair it, if they can find it. They told me again they could not find those parts and will send me, and they will charge me for this. So I don't think the Harman Kardon service center in Bucharest, it's not okay. The technical director from Europe of Harman Kardon must see these problems that the service center is making for people, for Romanians, because I know I'm not the only person with these situations of the service center. We are talking about Harman Kardon, we're not talking about small shop, we're talking about premium manufacturers. And gentlemen, let's be reasonable. You cannot play with people, and you cannot play with I don't believe in influencer necessarily, but I think to this kind of people who have audience, it's not nice and it's not good to make them problems, because they can expose these problems legally, and all the companies will suffer and not the influencers not. And it's I think it's good to maintain a good relationship, a business relationship with the influencers, a real influencer, not some kid showing his toy on YouTube or on other channels. Guys, this is the battery. It's a Chinese, because I don't have warranty. Now I will open up the speaker and I want to show you the battery. It came with some tools, a screwdriver and some for removing those. You have some rubber material that you will stick the front and back grill, some sticky tape, and the battery, guys, that is from this company ASABAT, and it's advertised, you see here, 3500 milliamps. I don't know about this. It says high capacity from 4 Harman Kardon Go Play. It has all the wires. I think the management is on top here, all the electronics and circuits, and the battery is here. The original battery of Harman Kardon Go Play 2, it's 3000 milliamps. I hope it will last at least at 3000 milliamps, but at this capacity, I hope it will have minimum, I hope, because it doesn't have 3500, and I hope it will have 5000 milliamps and to last more these batteries. So let's open up the speaker, guys, and see. So to open up the Harman Kardon, watch below, and you have some screws below. Unscrew. These are 6 screws. Just unscrew them. You got to take out these rubber materials. It's not hard to get them out. You see they have screws onto the back. and they are very easy to take them out. Be careful for the subwoofer passive radiators. So after you take out all the screws, two here, one here and one here, you can take out this plastic, and be careful guys from the speakers, especially the tweeters on that side, not to touch them. But Harman Kardon think about this and put the speakers also a little bit inside. Take out every screw from the back side and it will open, but the battery is exactly there, and you will have a connector, and here is the connector. You can disconnect it. I think it's very simple, and it's looking like our new connector here. It has also 5 pins, and you got to push the battery to the other side, guys, and see the battery that got loosed. And also I will use this sponge. Also you see a small glue there. And to make a comparison, guys, I'm very curious about the weight. You know, the weight tells you how good is the battery, because light batteries that are in the same specifications usually, and not usually, all the time, are weak, are very weak. So let's put back even this plastic cover. I will put, let's put this, and let's see, we have 111 grams, 110, whatever. And if we are putting the next battery, the 13.5 amps, it has the same weight, and this tells me, guys, that I'm fine with the same weight. Do not get me wrong, I'm very fine if it holds like the original one. So it doesn't have 13 amps, you realize. The battery is I think almost fully charged. We will record with a cardioid Sennheiser MK40 microphone, and I will put in the front of the speakers to make a small differences. I know there are a lot of videos, but I want you to hear a small comparison between the Extreme and the Harman Kardon. I think the differences are huge. At the sound quality, the Harman Kardon is over the top. At the sound quality, at the power, Harman Kardon beats JBL Extreme. But JBL Extreme, you have to know, it has tweeters inside, so the clarity is very impressive. It does not beat Harman Kardon, but you know, Harman Kardon, it's a premium sound. So let's hear the JBL. Thank you for watching, guys. If you help you, thumbs up, subscribe that button, you know what to do, and comment in the box below. Have a great day, guys. See you. Bye.